Ubaxhumana isosha ulwini kanokuna bangamanzi ubaba nokhakhabona mdala bona ekuyekufana modern dance ngaphandle into ngaphandle besho bonke abafuna ukusho ngobaba kodwa ubaba sawasakuwa nasesejudana abaningi benga-understand ukuthi why lapho abanye ukuthi hayi ababengibani kodwa ke ngoku-understand revolution anawagogo sasinje awethu uze kufomelele umuntu wesizwe saqala abaningi okuhlaza ugogo sawuqala kudala ngoba suqobo siphakathi kodwa ngoba sibona usakhamba kahle elokishini kwakuhamba kahle niyabona ngoba kodwa ke singene underground ngoba asineziveze umkhona uwenza strong and strong bani waqala iy'mpande ubanga wonke until sesifike sekusomanje umkhonto wesizwe phansi umkhonto wesizwe phansi from Cape to Cairo awukumzona umkhonto endlini okudipendile akuyona igama yaqaba noba umkhonto wesizwe iswejulele iswejulele and nawo umkhonto wayikhombisa ekhanda ukuthi uyakwazi ukudipenda amandla uyakwazi ukudipenda ukuthi lezo wadipenda khona isikhathi la kwakuhleli khona discussion uplanwa lo mkhonto ngoba dala yasuka nje hayi manje hayi ngo-2020 dala yasuka phikiswana la engaze ngafika nenkulumo eyithi mabayengisaphathekele ngamzibulawe eke kamina ngoba sinayo yonke imihlahlehle ngihamba sinemazibheka international court sino-social space nayo for everything empempeni bathiwa basemvuke ku-ililile kushaba athini lebesho ngaqolisecala nokuba bacabanga phambili nathi sonke isikhathi nokugazi noma ngisho into ekuningi ngoba manje ubekisini nokwezambayo asasona ngcono besithathe sibe khaya nokudinga uziqhamuke namhlanje kodwa ubaba wayebamba kuthiwa sifuna lonke ngoba ilembe lathi la gadule khona uzoba ikwazulu baningi abayicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ubaba ukuthi umuntu othethe isiXhosa ashintsha ngomzulu othethe isisuthu ashintshe ngomzulu wakanjalo asinalo igama namhlanje filosofini ukuthi ama-South African wazi walinganisa ngokuthi ubaba ma-South African ukuthi nali bhubesi ukuthi liphi naye izakwena lenzeni ishaye ngayo ngetshe sithini sibitseje i-South African ifuna ukubuza kuyafika ukuthi liyabona kuyafika asikhona ebona kuyafika athi mshaye ngani isini sibitiseje ungacanga uyayizela alithi ibhubesi izile ibhubesi iyasenzeka kanani manje khona basathesta ubaba ukuthi unabantu angakanani chamsalibheka ubaba le sikhona siphila siphumuza lositudala siyifihile siyatshela sikhona situdala sawusebenza ngidipende ubaba ukuthi namdipende ubaba kukubi kangoba ukubuza kuthiwa ngithembeni nathi sithembisa igazi lethu asingaphethe ibhana kasangebhana kodwa sisizwe ubaba yasibuye lapho saxoshwa kudala thi lapho kwakhona asizile ukuzothengisa la emfundweni asibithethile emfundweni saqoshwa ukhandi bakhe ngoba akunandlanga ukuba sishiyile igazi lethu lapho bonke thina sishiyene sanqobe siqhubeke ngendlela kusho kwakwazi manje awasho ukuthi bese kwaba right hand bathi left hand uthatheni la bathi left hand kumbe sawayithatheni oshawu left hand bathi right hand samthatheni umkhonto usuqala sefew sibaningi namhlanje kumnandi lokho ukuthi umkhonto ungawa namhlanje bazoqhamuka individual ezokushintsha angu-understand ngoba phela lento lena is not igama waliqamba. Yazi ngixoxa ngingayazi we-87 was in Cuba. ECuba, semasifikile eCuba, ngiyawutraining. Inkambi esangena kuyona, Camp 23, eHavana, i-International Air Special Force Base. Ibhali King General Shah, International Special Force Base. King General Shah, kodwa nathi usabizwe endlini ujoin college angesiphelisi. Usakhanda ngathi usancane thola ujoin. Sicela siphuma la umuntu engadlanga noma join khona. Othi uhambe ekhontreni ubuze ukuthi uyaphi. Owasala khona. Futhi understand umuntu azoqala amsolo ukuthi ngisengicela ngicela. Understand umuntu aqale ka-ANC. Aye ka-FM, aye ka-MK. Masukulu macho ikhanda awubona phela isingisi. Ile nhlobo le kwethu ukukhuluma thina safundile sesitwisted athi umuntu you know what in fact just because I don't know. When wafundile ushaka analyze just because in fact I don't know that's some shit ngakho bathamo so bathi ukhokhela ukubathamo manje ngene ekhaya you are aware of intellectual and you are aware of intellectual and but engasho ukuthi phela lelo discipline that ifuthi umkhondo wakawukhona incwadi naye awufuthi umkhondo awukho phezulu leyo ipolitics understand umuntu ukukhuluma mayithatha kusona abasho mkhaya phansi kananayo ubalulekile ngayo kwayikhulu for example ubaba khona la esidiscussa naye khona ethi ubaba need to understand that we understand that people can say, that was why Eastern Cape was the England, long back, who called it swap, England. But especially about I've seen them both, the moon channel was around, the moon channel was around, no moon. Who was important to you? One was right. So, what was right? You are right, what a sheer emu and swap in down. Not left on this. I'm not going to be able to in Wazak and Komozak, Mogokus Baranginzi, will take every time, everything is up and work, both those one time. I will not say one time. It's what you are doing, say to us. I see almost about some information is bad. And so those who have been I don't know. What's the that's very important. I will not promise. Must well sing what a swallow and well not. As for any environment, as for any good, as well as that. We understand to understand that the money more than that, as well one way. You will be the future of one. You are excited for come about traveling in the 35 years. Umadale which back. Canadians are like some power who was happening this may chatting media. Musugale media, Mugale media, and their card to favor the review. Without weekly from them. Local lecture daily review, weekly review, monthly review, year review. What I've did today from 6 to 6. You can learn about your colleagues. ngizuzile a-week ngenzeni Monday to Friday ingalutho imali nothing June uyabona kwanza ngoDisemba ngayo imali ngoDisemba ubona ngoJune mawusika ukuthi uDisemba unawo wama weekly wama monthly kaka isifundo sakho ubuke wena isifundo sonke sakho yourself musekawuhlele kulekelele nomnyaka yonke July uyabona ngibona le so ngicela ukuba bakhona Samul Express ngiyacela nani nonke nibe yindodayo angabe thina sonke nonke nibe yindodayo pimpa kumbe ungaphendule ekhanda pimpa kumina uyabona impimpa uzawini nendawo ukuthi ngenye imali wathi uba bathatha imali udokotela ekhaya ngoba kanayo akasho ukuthi imali ubile mumzwela mina ungima ngizoyithatha mina ungathatha wakufuthi uthatha imali uyithatha imali uwayele kusanza mayindana futhi ubaba abandana Comrades, ngiyajabula ukwanjena, ngiyajabula ukwamukela, ngiyajabula kakhulu lapho leyenduba. Kodwa kwabona kwakho kwezokuthi uyakwazi usilala esidudla, uyahamba nathi sisonke impilo samanye nje and into ayimali khonati kuyahlonishwa. Ngani na angibeki futhi, ngani na bese underground bengasazi. Yabona uqhamuka nje into ngofeji nje ngokungena kwayo. Yabo ngiyini njalo kuwelana ungayenzi umuntu jaji ngokwasuka wona usubona wena shetha nomuntu njalo yabo so akwazi kodwa kakhulu it will die ngezenzo zayo akunikami laswati lasisi will die umkhondo phakathi kwasuka abasuka kumkhondo phakathi umlando njengoba elafana epizolasha yenzana ingiyangizwe nazo pressure equeue yabona njengoba ngiqhubeka ngizela msonke isikhathi yabona lento ngisho mina King General Shawe sineshaka specific for that base amasosha lakunabonayo abheke combat umqondo washaka isosha usigobela zali umqondo washaka ukuhlukanisa ama-unit uthayona umqondo wabantu ashaka kulwa ngamasizini ehloko esinga lapho umqondo wabantu ashaka amhlanje umhlaba wona wanje qala kulwa ngahasha lamanye wala jijona umqondo wababa kodwa kushaka ngoba sisikhumba senkonzo sigqoke yakuyini yakho laswaye social qalbo information yokuya eqhamakele ukuthi shaka lana abafaka naphakathi abasephakathi yini information engale khona phansi wonke lo mqondo yokuwekela so ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi umuntu wesintu ukangakanani and unyakazo waseSouth Africa uyazi umhlaba wonke mathi manisiyabuya uyazi umhlaba wonke unama-force ethu ahamba ama-alefashoni ungafana so lana nentayitela lethu ngoba namhlanje uyasho ukuthi mangiphesheya ukuthi I'm going to South Africa in Cape Town, KwaZulu in Cape Town, I'm going to KwaZulu in Joburg, I'm going to KwaZulu in Pretoria. Awasho ukuthi ukhohlwa bakho usuku bakho uphilile bayenza ukusika leZimbabwe, leMozambique, leMalawi, leSpanish, possible even Israel. We're in South of Africa, wasn't there much China that as well as often we are in South of Africa. That's a charge in the public. After the toilets, that's starting to finish. As the Nuba started Egypt, but I didn't know he don't know if he told die, Amanda, Amanda,